Hello guys, today I'm gonna take a look at a distro that recently came out. It's risiOS and it's based on Fedora. So we're gonna see what this distro is, what is different than Fedora, why does it exist at all. So let's begin. First, let's take a quick look at the installation. This is a virtual machine for the install I already prepared, and it shouldn't be that different than Fedora's Anaconda installer. I think I'm pretty sure it's the same. I already installed it on my laptop just to check it out for a couple of days, see if I like it. Okay, check and select your language. No surprises here. Installation device. Yep, as you can see, it's the same as the vanilla Fedora installation. Not surprises, nothing new, nothing different here. Okay guys, this is the screen that you are met with after new install of risiOS. It's pretty standard for GNOME desktop environment. Just let's go pretty quick through the setup. Location services, automatic problem, okay. If you wanna add your online account, you can do here. I'm not gonna go too deep into the creation. You have already seen this many times. And now the real part should start. This is the quick setup of risiOS. This is a pretty cool that they do that. Let's check it out. Checking internet connection, okay. And this is what makes it a little different and better than Fedora for me at least. That helps a lot and saves time. It lets you customize and add all the RPM Fusion proprietary codecs, set a flat hub. If you want a DNF parallel download faster mirror, this is pretty important. A lot of people complain about DNF being slow. Well, this is one of the reasons it's being slow. So if you enable that, it says max parallel downloads to 10 and enable fastest mirror in the package manager, which is pretty cool. It's gonna end up pretty faster when you update system or when you install any packages. Next, now you can select your browser. Well, of course I'm gonna go with Firefox, and let's go with Chromium this time. Okay, here you can select what GPU you are using. Mine it's not enabled because I'm using virtual machine to show you the script. But if you are, you can select whatever. If you're using NVIDIA GPU or AMD or integrated, doesn't matter. Just select what you need and click next. Now you're gonna select all the packages you need to install. For audio, well, I like Lollipop. Let's install that. I don't need anything else here. Plus, this is a virtual machine. Audio production. Audacity, it's pretty good. For gaming, you can install anything you want from here, including Discord. You have bottles here, Lutris, Steam. I'm not gonna install again anything here. Okay, you have the choice of GIMP, Krita, Inkscape, and video production. KDE, it's always a good choice. OBS. Let's start. It's gonna ask for your password. This may take a few minutes, so let's pause the video and I'll get back to you as soon as it's finished. And the installation is done and it's prompt you to reboot. Now let's do that. Restart. Okay, we are back on my laptop machine where risiOS is already installed and configured. I just wanna show you it's pretty good distro, I may say. What else do they have? Let's check it out. This risiTwix, it's pretty interesting to me. You can select your theme. I already select solarized, but you have a couple more options here. You can go for dark. This is pretty close to the GNOME Twix too. Yeah, it's pretty nice. The layout, it still reminds me of the GNOME Twix, which is installed out of the box, which is always good. Keyboard. Okay. Let's see what else is here. They should have the Risi welcome, or yeah, Risi welcome, how they call it. It's a pretty basic welcome screen, but it's pretty nice and helpful. I still think Fedora needs one of those welcome screens. I don't know why they don't get it yet. Anyway, it's pretty basic. You can select and install apps. This goes to the GNOME software directly. You can manage web apps with Web App Manager. This is interesting. Yes, this is a program that used to be called, I don't exactly remember, but I think the Peppermint team used to have one of those programs. Let's see. So let's go to youtube.com, name the site YouTube. You can select your icon. Well, this one is pretty good. Audio, Firefox, navigation bar, okay. Just click OK and you have YouTube. Yep, I think it's the same. Yep, I remember that. I think the Peppermint team use it. Anyway, if you want to go to the Twix, you can go from here to, they have some socials, Discord, Telegram, pretty basic. What else is here? Not much. Wootress I already have installed that. Lollipop, KD, Wife, Green with Envy. I have Nvidia in this laptop too. And you have the YouTube icon right here, which is amazing. Yes, pretty nice. Another interesting part is instead of LibreOffice, risiOS went with only Office, which is, as you may know, my preferred Office package. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much time looking at this distro right now. I'm gonna leave it installed on my laptop and I'm gonna check it out through the week or so. Let's see how it holds up. I'm gonna use it for a little bit of gaming, little bit of video editing and stuff, basic browsing, but I think it's pretty good distro so far. I've been using it for a day or two maybe, yeah, maybe 2 days now, and I really like it. You may ask yourself, why another distro? Why another Fedora distro? Well, honestly, there's not that many Fedora distros. This is one of the few, I think. There's another one called Submarine or something. I haven't checked it out yet. But this distro, what does it different is, well, helps a lot with the pre-installed codecs, with pre-installed RPM Fusion. Well, you have the choice to do it or not to do it, but it's strongly recommended. You saw the quick setup after install. It helps with everything you need to install and prepare your system. Although you can do it on Fedora, I already have my bash script that does that automatically for me. But this distro already saved you so much trouble and so much time. Why not use it? Okay, that's it from me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.